In this video help, we're going to cover the Customer by Store report. Let's go ahead and click on the video to learn how to use it, and then go into the actual screen through the video. What this screen does is it takes the information for each individual client that has been in your store, whether they're a walk-in client, which is a general for all the walk-in clients. What it'll do is it'll list additional fields underneath here for each time that record has been used. So for example, I have some overwrites and they're numbered different. These are just where I wanted to fill the screen to show you what it looks like for test data. What you would be doing is adding your own customer information in the main customer screen. One of the things that is added in this particular view of this report is that you can click on an icon here, and what it does is it omits a record. What that means is if you click the icon, it hides that record that was just in there. Now it's gone away, it's disappeared. If you want to bring just that record back and look at it, you can say show omit record, and only the record that was omitted will now come in here. Now what does that do for you? That allows you to pick a number of records and omit them and then create a custom report without having to use a find. Now let's go back and add all the records back in again by clicking the Show All Records. And if you wanted to add all the records or pick a specific one, what I could do in this case is I could use the Do Find. I could pick my own name. I could also check for a location, which store I actually was at when this happened. Or maybe if my name is in for more than one store, if you have multiple stores in your company, you would go ahead and pick what store you're looking for that particular account. Let's go ahead and perform the find, and what happens, it adds the data for that particular screen. Now to run the report and add the headers on it, just click the Run Report button and it fills in the rest of the top of the screen. Now if there were multiple records, where I was in store 1, 2, or 3, or 4, whatever the number of stores you had at any one time, you would see the Customer by Store report shows that I have been in more than one store as a registered client. What this helps you to do is to track where the customers are going, what stores they're frequenting, and how many times they've been there. So you would not create a record for store 1 twice, because I'm only going to go there and create one new client record for each individual person that comes in. So if you're looking at the list view, which is the other screen we just completed in the last video, you could do a find and see if I'm actually currently in the database, or you could come to this same screen and do a find and see how many stores I have been in. It works both ways. At the top of the screen, you'll see where there's a sales, where you can go to the sales screen, and you can also go to the store location screen. The store location screen allows you to edit the store information for that particular screen. In the store location screen on the customer screen, you will be able to click a header over the top that will take you to the screen if you want to edit or add new store locations. There's also one last one here, and this button shows and hides the menus. If you had a menu at the top of your iPad at the bottom and you needed more screen real estate, you could click this, and what it would do is hide the menus on the top and the bottom. If you needed to go back and use them again, you could click that again and it will return the menus again. So let's go ahead, and it toggles, by the way. That's what I mean by that. Click it once, it hides them. Click it again, and it brings them back. Now I'm going to go say Show All Records again. I'm going to show them all. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pick one of these records to go to see. And the way you can do that is to go to the main menu and click in the main menu and go to that particular record, or you can just click into a field, any field on here, and then click Customer to go to that particular record. If you have any questions about this and how it works, contact us by clicking on the support site icon above, or contact us by email. Thank you.